Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Join us today during S51 Airsoft, where I'll be running my Well Pro KS1 with an insane rate of fire, 50 BBs a second. It also has an upgraded hot rubber, which I swapped out to the F-bomb by Negative Airsoft, which pretty much means this thing is firing 54 BBs a second on .3s with barely any hop apply, so that's absolutely nuts. I probably could go higher, but anything higher would just be too bloody expensive. So hope you enjoyed the video of the absolute chaos and the stupidity of this rate of fire. It's a bit of a gag, a bit of a laugh. A lot of the players were beginning to call it, instead of the A10 Warthog, the AR-15 Warthog. I know technically it's not an AR-15, but to the average person it looks all very similar. So with that everyone, hope you enjoy the gameplay, and hope you have a laugh at the stupidity of the BERT. So with that everyone, enjoy the video.
I got him with the bird, trying to do the run there.
It helps everything up, baby. Yeah.
I think I've overfilled this magazine.
Give him a slap against the tree.
I fired the burster because I didn't know if I got him or not. Oh,
No, you're. Yeah, I think you got him that time.
no, it didn't.
I think you just scared the shit. Wall BB just came towards him.
Oh, he's got a few more moments of respite. While I do a whirly thing.
Oh, I don't want you. Right window.
Oh, poor wee lad, I think I got his hand there. I think I locked this side down. This thing really is not fair. It's sort of, you know what, I'm really impressed with the hop rubber in this.
So with the chaos completed and a bit of fun had, a lot of laughs out of the stupidity of the rate of fire, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you got a few laughs about the bursts and the beautiful stream of BBs from it. Pretty crazy this thing is so cheaply priced from Taiwan Gun, and how such a simple upgrade to it can turn it into even more of a monster. But with everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you haven't as well, please do join us in Discord. We're trying to get the Discord growing, trying to get more and more people into it, so please do join us over on Discord. Thanks again for watching, and I shall hopefully see you either in Discord, out in the field, or in the comments or somewhere. Anyways, thanks again for watching, everyone.